You're only a touch away from perfection. A push away from unmatched precision. Introducing the Paradice 16. There's a chute for every size, with the extra wide feed chute fit ingredients in whole without the extra prep. Say hello to superior dicing. With more even and consistent cubes in a single push. Dice, chop, slice, mix, shred, French fry and knead with flawless consistency. Thanks to precision engineering. High torque to handle the toughest jobs. Designed to handle tumbles and falls. Colour-coordinated accessories for seamless meal prepping. Dishwasher safe with a place to call home. You're a touch away from mastery. With the Paradice 16 from Breville.